Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Digitakt and plugging its audio outputs into your interface. This gives clean sound into Ableton. Next, decide on MIDI via USB or 5-pin DIN. USB is simpler and carries audio if you use an interface with USB host. Once chosen, open Ableton Live and go to Preferences, link/MIDI. Enable the Digitakt as a control surface and turn on track and sync so MIDI notes and tempo travel both ways. Once done, create dedicated audio tracks in Ableton and assign each to the interface inputs receiving the Digitakt. This preserves individual channels for mixing. Then make a MIDI track, set its output to the Digitakt, and arm or monitor it so notes you play in live trigger the sampler. Make sure Ableton is sending MIDI clock to the Digitakt if you want synced transport and LFOs. Enable start/stop so clips and patterns align when you play or stop live. You can now record Digitakt patterns into Ableton clips, adjusting buffer size, use low buffer for real-time playing, and raise it for CPU headroom while mixing. Once satisfied, save a live template with your audio and MIDI routings so you don't repeat setup steps. If things go wrong, troubleshoot. Confirm physical cables, choose USB versus DIN consistently. Verify Ableton is sending MIDI clock and the Digitakt's MIDI receive channel matches, often toggling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.